Hello students. So today we will discuss another topic of the chapter, weather, climate and adaptations of animals to climate. Today our topic is adaptation in elephants and adaptation in red-eyed frog. Now as we are discussing about the adaptation in the tropical rainforest, so today we will discuss about adaptation in two animals. So first one we will discuss about adaptations in elephant. Okay. So elephant, it is a very large animal of Indian tropical rainforest. Elephants are plant eaters. They are known as what? Herbivores. Elephant has adapted to the conditions of rainforest in many remarkable ways. So what are the ways? Now let's discuss one by one. Now number one point here, you see, one of the most important adaptation in an elephant is its what? Trunk. Okay, which we can see in the front. Okay, now this trunk of an elephant is basically an elongated nose. The trunk, it helps the elephant in many ways. What are the ways? The elephant, they uses the trunk to smell. Because of the trunk, the elephant has got a strong sense of smell. Okay, number two, it is used for what? Breathing. Okay, number three, the elephant, it uses its long trunk to pick up the food like grasses, plants, etc., and put into its mouth. The trunk of elephant, it can reach up to the branches of trees and it helps them to eat the tree leaves as food. And the elephant, they also uses the trunk for drinking water by sucking up the water and putting into the mouth, and they also uses the trunk to bath itself. Okay, now number two adaptation is what? Number two adaptation is their tusks. Okay, now what are tusks? Tusks are the big and long pointed teeth which come out from the closed mouth of the elephant. So what we can say? We can say that the tusks are the modified teeth of elephant. Tusks are actually what? They are the incisor teeth of elephant. And how they uses the tusks to obtain their food? The elephant uses the tusks to tear off the bark of the trees. That means the hardest part of the tree, which it eats as food. The elephant, it has got two tusks and four teeth, right? The elephant's four teeth are inside the mouth. The elephant's four teeth, what are they? They are molars, that is used for chewing and grinding the food, and they also uses the tusks for fighting with their enemies and to protect themselves. Number three, the elephant, they has got large ears. Okay, now this large ear of the elephant, it helps them to hear even very soft sounds. Now due to the large ears, the elephant, they can hear even the slightest sound made by its predator behind him, so that it can sense the danger and run away to safety. Right, now when the temperature rises, the elephant, they flap their large ears and use them as a fan to cool themselves. Okay, this is the most interesting feature, right? So this large ear, they helps the elephant to keep cool in the hot and humid climate of the tropical rainforest. And the last adaptation is what? The elephant, it is very heavy. Okay, since the elephant is very heavy, okay, so they are adapted to support its great weight and prevent it from sinking into soft ground. Okay, the elephant's feet are what? They are large and round. This large and round feet give good stability to the elephant, and they also prevent it from sinking into soft ground. How? By spreading its weight over a large area. Right? Okay, so here you can see the picture of an elephant. The adaptations which I have discussed here, you can see that they have got a long trunk in the front of its head. They have got big ears, they have got tusks, and here you can see they have got a round and wide feet. Now the next topic of discussion is adaptation in red-eyed frog. Okay, now this red-eyed frog, it lives on the trees of the tropical rainforest. Now they does not live in water, as we all know that frogs are what? Frogs are amphibians. That means they can survive both in water as well as land. But this red-eyed frog, they doesn't live in water, rather they live on the branches of the tree. Now this red-eyed frog, they has got a green back. The back side is what? Green, and the underside, they are creamy color, right? Now it has got the most important feature of this red-eyed frog is that it has big and bulging bright red eyes. That means the red-eyed, it comes out, it's a kind of bulging structure. Okay, the red-eyed frog, they are what, they are nocturnal. Nocturnal means what, it sleeps during the day and it becomes active at night, generally in search of food. Okay, now red-eyed frog, they spend most of the day hidden on the underside of the tree leaves. Now what are the adaptation of the red-eyed frog to survive in the tropical rainforest? Let's see. Number one is what, red-eyed frog, they has developed a sticky pad on its feet which helps them to climb easily on the trees on which it lives. Okay, this sticky pad on the feet, it allows the red-eyed frog to attach itself to the branches and leaves of the tree. Number two is what, number two is the big and bulging red, bright red eyes of the frog. Okay, now what is the important feature of this? See, if a predator or enemy wakes up the sleeping red-eyed frog during daytime and its big and bright red eyes pop up suddenly. Okay, so this sudden opening of the big and bright red eyes frightens the predator for a while. Okay, and the frog in the meantime, they gets that time to jump to a safe place. Next is what, next is the green color of red-eyed frog. It helps them to hide within the green leaves of the tree unnoticed by its prey. Okay, so this helps in catching the prey. The hiding of the red-eyed frog by mixing up with the leaves due to its green colors also protect it from its predator. Okay, because they cannot see it easily. Okay, due to what, due to the mixing with the leaves of the tree. Next is red-eyed frog, they have got a very good eyesight and for that they can see clearly at night. And last but not the least, the red-eyed frog, it is a carnivore and they can eat any type of insect as food. So these all are what, these all are the adaptations in red-eyed frog. Here you can see the picture of red-eyed frog. They have got the upper part is what, their upper part is green in color and they have got what, creamy underside. Okay, so this color, it helps them to mix up with the branches and in between the leaves of the tree. And here you can see the most important feature is what, they have got a bright red eye. Okay, so suddenly what happens, suddenly when it opens the eye, when an enemy or the predator comes, when it opens its eyes, okay, so this big bulging eyes, what happens, it frightens a predator immediately. Okay, so in this time what happens, they escape from the predator and they runs away. So this is all about your today's class. Okay, today we have discussed about the adaptation in elephant and adaptation in red-eyed frog. In our next class we will discuss about the adaptation in other 3 animals. Thank you everyone.